welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Avishka Thadani, and we've got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. Microsoft 365 Copilot's AI-powered presentation tool revolutionizes how users can create PowerPoint slides. By providing detailed prompts, users can generate full presentations including text, images, and designs in minutes. This feature allows further customization, enabling users to edit slides, add data, and optimize layout. Microsoft also provides tools for creating summary slides and charts, enhancing the overall presentation process. This innovation is a part of Microsoft's broader push to integrate AI into its Office suite, aiming to save time and boost productivity. Available to Microsoft 365 subscribers, this tool is a game changer for professionals, students, and educators alike. OpenAI is set to release its new reasoning AI model O3 Mini by the end of January. According to CEO Sam Altman, the model designed to outperform existing systems will be available with both an API and ChatGPT integration. Building on the success of its O1 models, which excelled in solving complex tasks, the O3 Mini promises enhanced capabilities in reasoning problem solving. The launch follows the company's beta introduction for tasks for ChatGPT, a feature signaling OpenAI's entry into the virtual assistant space, rivaling Apple, Siri, and Amazon's Alexa. Apple has temporarily disabled its AI-powered news headlines after receiving criticism for errors in generated summaries. Media outlets like BBC complained about misleading or incorrect information, prompting Apple to act. The feature part of Apple Intelligence Suite introduced with the iPhone 16 was disabled in the latest iOS beta update. While the AI was designed to create brief, digestible news summary, its inaccuracies highlighted the challenges of relying on generative AI. Apple plans to refine the tool before relaunching it. The iPhone maker, competing with tech giants like Google and Samsung, introduced generative AI to boost its device appeal. Now, before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you're enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top on all tech things. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from pioneering AI advancement to the hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, stay ahead of the curve, and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. AI-driven search engines are reshaping how users interact with news, creating visibility challenges for traditional media outlets. A Reuters report warns that generative AI tools providing story-like answers to search queries may reduce website traffic for news organizations ahead of the Galaxy S25 launch. Samsung showcased holograms in London featuring marine life, plants, and sport highlights. The holograms demonstrate Galaxy AI's ability to curate personalized memories from users' photos. As the AI tool becomes central to devices, publishers face increasing competition for audience attention. The growing reliance on AI underscores a shift in the media industry when traditional news delivery must adopt to innovative storytelling formats. The Biden administration's restriction on GPU exports could disrupt India's ambition on AI development plans by 2027. The interim rule limits access to critical GPUs used in powering AI systems, which are vital for scaling India's AI programs. While short-term effects may be minimal, experts including Ashok Chandak of India's Electronics and Semiconductors Association believe the long-term impact will be significant. India aims to expand its AI capabilities, but restricted GPU access may slow its progress in industries like healthcare, defense, and education. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on these developments. So drop a comment below, stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Voice.